Now I am taking the probability problem. Prove that probability of 10, 3 equal to probability of 9, 3 plus 3 into probability of 9, 2. We know that NPR equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial. It can be written as probability of n, r. Okay. From this here, P of 10, 3 means that is 10P3 equal to 9P3 plus 3 into 9P2. Here we can take the RHS. RHS equal to 9P3 plus 3 into 9P2 equal to 9P3 is nothing but 9 factorial by 9 minus 3 factorial plus 3 into 9P2 means 9 factorial by 9 minus 2 factorial is equal to 9 factorial by 9 minus 3 is nothing but 6 factorial plus 3 into 9 factorial by 9 minus 2 is 7 factorial is equal to 9 factorial can be written as 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 factorial by 6 factorial plus 3 into 9 factorial can be written as 9 into 8 into 7 factorial by 7 factorial. 7 factorial, 7 factorial, let it be 1. 6 factorial 1, the 6 factorial 1. Now from these two terms taking common 9 into 8, that is equal to 9 into 8. The remaining terms of the first and second are 7 plus 3. That is equal to 9 into 8 into 7 plus 3 is 10. Write in order 10 into 9 into 8. What we want, we can write in the, express in the P of 10, 3 means multiply and divide with the 7 factorial. This is the 7 factorial. Then it can be written as 10P3. 10P3 means 10 factorial by 10 minus 3 factorial. So that is 10 minus 3 means 7 factorial. 10 factorial we can write it as 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 factorial. So if you get any doubt, then it can be, it is the 10 factorial by 7 factorial. That is nothing but 10 factorial by 10 minus 3 factorial. It is equal to 10P3 equal to P of 10, 3. This is the answer. That is nothing but LHS is equal to RHS. This is the LHS term. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS means probability of 10, 3 equal to probability of 9, 3 plus 3 into probability of 9, 2. It's proved. Next problem, prove that P of n, r equal to n minus r plus 1 of P of n, r minus 1. We know that P of n, r is equal to NPR. P of n, r minus 1 equal to NPR minus 1. Okay. Take the RHS. RHS equal to n minus r plus 1. That is the multiple. P of n, r minus 1 equal to n minus r plus 1 into NPR minus 1. Then by the permutation, NPN is equal to, or NPR equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial. Now write here using the formula n minus r plus 1 into n factorial by n minus of r minus 1 factorial. That is equal to n minus r plus 1 into n factorial by n minus r plus 1 factorial. Here n minus r plus 1 into n factorial by n minus r plus 1 factorial can be written as n minus r plus 1. Next, before of n minus r plus 1 is n minus r plus 1 minus 1 factorial. It is equal to, these two terms are get cancelled. Then it is equal to n factorial by n minus r plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. That is factorial. N factorial by n minus r factorial. That is nothing but np r. It is equal to p of n comma r. That is the RHS. LHS. Sorry. It is the LHS. Therefore, P of n comma r equal to n minus r plus 1 into P of n comma r minus 1. It's proved. Next problem. If 1 by 9 factorial plus 1 by 10 factorial equal to x by 11 factorial. Just we observe the question. The right side is the only single term. So what we can do, the left side, when we can take the LHS, it has the two terms. By taking the LCM, it is also converted into one term. That is, tell 1 by 9 factorial. 1 by 9 factorial plus 1 by 10 factorial. Taking the LCM, 9 factorial, 10 factorial is the LCM. Here, we can write it as 10 factorial plus here 9 factorial. Okay, it is equal to x by 11 factorial. We know that 11 factorial can be written as 11 into 10 factorial, the right side. Okay. It is equal to, in the numerator, we can take the 9 factorial. Here 11 factorial can be written as 11 into 10 factorial. In the same way, 10 factorial can be written as 10 into 9 factorial. Here 9 factorial is there. Here simply I am taking 10 factorial can be written as 10 into 9 factorial plus 9 factorial by 9 factorial into 10 factorial. That is equal to 9 factorial taking common in the numerator. That is, remaining terms are 10 in the first term, 1 is in the second term, by 9 factorial into 10 factorial. 9 factorial get cancelled. It is equal to 11 by 10 factorial. Okay, but observe the question, x by 11 factorial. 11 factorial means already in the denominator 10 factorial is there. When we can take the multiply numerator and the denominator by 11 is equal to 11 square by 11 into 10 factorial. 11 is 121 by 11 factorial. This is equal to x by 11 factorial means, therefore x equal to, or from this x equal to 121 is the answer. Next problem, if n factorial by 2 factorial into n minus 2 factorial and n factorial by 4 factorial into n minus 4 factorial or in the ratio 2:1, find the value of n. That is nothing but, first we can write the first term n factorial by 2 factorial into n minus 2 factorial by n factorial by 4 factorial into n minus 4 factorial equal to 2:1. The cross multiply we can take from this n factorial by 2 factorial into n minus 2 factorial equal to 2 into n factorial by 4 factorial into n minus 4 factorial. Okay, now here both sides n factorial get cancelled. Okay, n factorial ones, n factorial ones. Again, we can take the cross multiply. Here 4 factorial into n minus 4 factorial is equal to 2 into 2 factorial into n minus 2 factorial. Okay, here n minus 2 factorial can be written as 2 factorial is nothing but 2. N minus 2 factorial can be written as n minus 2 into n minus 3 into n minus 4 factorial. Here 4 factorial can be written as 4 into 3 factorial, means 3 into 2 into 1. So n minus 4 factorial. N minus 4 factorial, here n minus 4 factorial cancel. 2 2s are 4, 4 cancel. 3 2s are 6 equal to, here n minus 2 into n minus 3. 6 equal to n into n square minus 3n minus 2n minus 5n minus into minus plus 3 2s are 6. Here, taking one side, the all terms, this 6 is taken to right side, n square minus 5n plus 6 minus 6 equal to 0. Here, plus 6 minus 6 get cancelled, then n square minus 5n equal to 0. n is common, n minus 5 equal to 0. Therefore, n equal to 5 is the answer. Next problem, solve for n. The question is 2n factorial by 3 factorial into 2n minus 3 factorial ratio n factorial by 2 factorial into n minus 2 factorial equal to 44 ratio 3. That is nothing but we can write it as in the a by b form. 2n factorial by 3 factorial into 2n minus 3 factorial whole by n factorial by 2 factorial into n minus 2 factorial equal to 44 by 3. Write denominators, denominator becomes numerator, so we can write it as 2n factorial by 3 factorial into 2n minus 3 factorial into 2 factorial into n minus 2 factorial by n factorial equal to 44 by 3. Here, two n factorial can be written as 2n into 2n minus 1 into 2n minus 2, 2n minus 3 factorial by 3 factorial can be written as 3 into 2 factorial into 2n minus 3 factorial into 2 factorial into n minus 2 factorial. N factorial can be written as n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 factorial equal to 44 by 3. N minus 2 factorial, n minus 2 factorial cancel. 2n minus 3 factorial, 2n minus 3 factorial cancel. And here 1n cancel. 2 factorial cancel. Here 2 into 2n minus 1 into, taking 2 is also common in the second factor, n minus 1 by 3 into 1 by n minus 1 equal to 44 by 3. This 3, right side 3, left side 3, in the denominator, numbers get cancelled. Here n minus 1, n minus 1 get cancelled. 2 2s are 4 into 2n minus 1 is equal to 44. 2n minus 1 equal to 44 by 4. Divide 11. 2n equal to 11. This plus minus 1 taking to right side, it becomes plus 1, that is the 12. N equal to 12 by 2, it is equal to 6. Therefore, n equal to 6 is the answer. We can find n from the relation n plus 1 factorial equal to 56 into n minus 1 factorial. So n plus 1 factorial can be written as n plus 1 into n plus 1 minus 1 into n plus 1 minus 2. By observing plus 1 minus 2 is minus 1, that is equal to n minus 1. We can stop here only, equal to 56 into n minus 1 factorial. Here plus 1 minus 1 cancel, is n plus 1 into n minus 1 factorial equal to 56 into n minus 1 factorial. N minus 1 factorial, n minus 1 factorial get cancelled. Okay. Here, if you get idea for the 56 factors, 8 sevens are 56. So here we can write it as n plus 1 is the 8, n is the 7. So directly you can take n equal to 5, or else multiply n into n square plus 1 into n minus 56 equal to 0. 8 sevens are 56, 8 minus 7 equal to 1. So n can be written as n square plus 8n minus 7n minus 56 equal to 0. N is common from the first two terms, n plus 8 minus 7 is common, n plus 8 equal to 0. Here n plus 8 into n minus 7 equal to 0. Here positive term is 7 only. Therefore, n equal to 7. Prove that 2n factorial by n factorial equal to 1 into 3 into 5 into so on into 2n minus 1 into 2 power n. Here we can take the LHS, the solution. 2n factorial by n factorial can be written as 2n into 2n minus 1 into 2n minus 2 into 2n minus 3 into 2n minus 4, so on, 2n minus n plus 2 into 2n minus n plus 1 into 2n minus n factorial. Here n before n plus 1, n plus 1 before n plus 2, so on, by n factorial. It is equal to 2n into 2n minus 1 into, here 2 common, n minus 2, n minus 1, 2 into n minus 1, 2n minus 3 into again 2 common, n minus 2, here n minus 1, here n minus 2, so on. Here 2n minus n is n plus 2. Here 2n minus n is n plus 1. 2n minus n, n factorial by n factorial. N factorial cancel. Okay. Here, this is the 2, right? Here 1, 2, in this another 2, in this another 2. So on up to n terms. These are the n terms. Why? Because in the 2n, we are taking n terms. Already one n terms are get cancelled in the numerator and denominator factorial. The remaining terms are n terms are there. Okay. Here, the remaining here, that is 2n minus 1 into 2n minus 3 into 2n minus 5, so on. We can take up to 5 into 3 into 1. Okay. These are n terms, the 2's. Then it can be written as 2 power n into, write in small to big. That is 1 into 3 into 5 into so on, 2n minus 1. Just we can check out. Here, n equal to, suppose we are taking 10, 2n becomes 20. 20 minus 1 is 19. 20 minus 3 is 17. The odd numbers goes to up to 1. Okay. In this, n minus 1, n minus 2, up to it goes to n minus nth, up to n minus n. So these all are multiple of 2's only. So that is 2 power n. And what are the n equal to? We are taking here the 10 minus 1, 9. 9 in this one. Next, 10 minus 2, 8. 8 will come in the 2 power n. Odd numbers comes in the 1 into 3 into 5. What are the 2 power numbers are there? That comes in the 2 power n. The remaining are comes in the second series. Okay, this is the proof. Next problem. Convert into factorials. Seven into 8 into 9 into 10 into 11 into 12 into 13 into 14 into 15. Okay, it can be written as 15 into 14 into 13 into so on up to into 7 into 6 factorial by 6 factorial. Then 6 factorial means it comes 65432. In the denominator also 65432. This is equal to up to 6 factorial means it is the 15 factorial by 6 factorial. It is equal to 15 factorial by 15 minus 9 factorial. 15 minus 9 is 6 factorial. That is 15's P9. 15P9. Or in the right in the convert into factorial notation means 15 factorial by 6 factorial. It's enough.